Hello, my name's Jody. I'm out on a no heat call. Customer says he turns it on and it doesn't work. There could be a number of things that could happen. Simple calls that you and I can, even you can fix, or maybe a little seriouser where I have to fix it. Let's go in and we'll take a look. First thing I did is I went up and I checked the thermostat. Went up and checked the thermostat, made sure it was calling for heating. I've adjusted the temperature. I come down to the furnace. Next thing is I'm going to see if I got any fault codes. There's a LED display. It'll flash a code at you what's wrong with it. So you count the number of times that it flashes. Remember the fault code. There's your view window. They're inside the door or on your owner's manual. Right here's a list of your codes right here. Right here. Fault code 11 means that blower failure, or it could have a fault code 4, which means an open limit. So I have verified that the unit has a open limit. It had an open limit, and there is a fault code saying you had a blower failure. The reason why you had a blower failure is because the limit switch kept opening and closing. Limits right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to verify that we have a good circuit board. And we're going to verify that we don't have a bad capacitor on the motor. So I got the multimeter. I'm using the field piece. I'm going to check for MFD capacitance. This one here should be reading roughly around 10. I'm running that 9.6 microfarads, plus or minus 10%, so your intolerance. In this scenario, this is the reason why the furnace didn't turn on, because I didn't have the blower motor running. The blower motor provides air throughout the duct system, the delivery system of the furnace. Very important, just like anything else. Without that piece, what will happen is the unit will limit. It won't supply proper airflow to the ductwork, to the rooms that need the extra heat or the cool. So we use this in heating and cooling. I've gotten the warranty blower motor for this particular call. I had extra warranty on it. I had 10-year warranty on it. It's good to have a 10-year warranty on any of your new equipment that you buy. Obviously this isn't going to cost our customer anything. So I'm going to tighten up the set screw here. Make sure we're not hitting anything. Sometimes we clean that wheel up. It's got a lot of dirt, build up stuff on there. You take it outside and you hose it out sometimes. This one here looks pretty good shape. We won't need to do that today. I got the motor put in. I put a new run capacitor in. I have the wires wired up. What I want to do is I want to clear out my fault codes. So I'm going to undo the R again. Take the call off. Power it up. Put this wire back on here. We're going to start this guy up. We're going to check some amp draws. And there's some other scenarios that why a furnace may act up too. There's the flame sensor. I'll show you where that's at. Take that off of there. Now what you're doing is you're looking at this thing here. What happens, you get a film of dust and stuff on there. So you have to take this thing out and you have to clean it up. I'll show you how to clean it up. Get a piece of sand cloth. Be very careful. Always keep your hand on the white part. Don't touch the metal rod. What you're going to do, you're going to shine her up. What this does, it proves flame signal. How you know you got a dirty flame sensor? What happens is you shut the furnace off, you turn it on, it starts up, and the burners drop. Good indication that this thing here is dirty. You use a dollar bill. I like using just the sand cloth. Works pretty good. Don't want to get too abrasive with sandpaper. You can score it, you can scratch it. It keeps the furnace, making sure that all the burners light. We got the blower motor changed out. We checked the operations, we checked the amp draws. Customer should be up and running. Good thing he's under warranty, so this didn't cost him nothing.
SOS to the rescue! SOS! SOS!